In this example, it looks like we have ourselves a nice one-step equation that we're going to solve. So we are taking some number y, and we're going to add 13 to it. And when we do so, we get 5. So you might be able to just look at this and know what the value of y is, but we're going to go ahead and walk through using the properties of equality so we can isolate this variable y on one side of the equation all by itself to solve this equation. Okay, so we're isolating the variable y. So the only other thing on the left side of the equation along with the y is this positive 13 or this plus 13. So we are going to undo this addition by subtracting 13 from both sides. And we're going to be doing so using the subtraction property of equality, which says that if I subtract a value from one side of the equation and I do the same to the other side of the equation, then everything stays nice and equal. So on this left side now, I have the positive 13 with the negative 13. Of course, those will cancel. So this left side now, I'm left with just the y, and that's what I want because now I have isolated the variable. On the right side, it looks like I have 5 minus 13. So 5 minus 13 is going to be negative 8. Another way to look at that is it's 5 plus a negative 13. And you'll notice the 5 is positive, the 13 is negative. So when you're adding signed integers here, or signed numbers, and their signs are opposite, we'll subtract their absolute value. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And we'll keep the sign of the larger, so negative 8 is that value. So the value for y that makes this original equation true is negative 8, because negative 8 plus 13 equals 5.